यानी रंगों का त्योहार। और इस साल की होली तो कुछ खास है, जिसे मनाए जाने का तरीका भी कुछ खास होना चाहिए। इस साल हम आर्टिफिशियल रंगों का प्रयोग बिल्कुल नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन जो हमारी जिंदगी के वास्तविक खूबसूरत रंग हैं, हंसी, खुशी, उत्साह, उमंग, जोश के साथ घर में ही रहकर होली मनाएंगे। इसलिए जिम्मेदार नागरिक बनिए, खुद सुरक्षित रहिए, दूसरों को सुरक्षित रखिए। विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी एंड सेफ होली टू ऑल ऑफ यू।
Good morning. It is time of the year when vibrates fill the sky all across. Yes, we are talking about Holi, the festival of color knocking at our door. This year, the Holika Dahan is on March 28 and Holi will be celebrated on March 29 respectively. Holika Dahan Puja is performed and will be celebrated the victory of good over evil. It is also known as Holi in many places. However, with 1 year to the deadly novel coronavirus pandemic, social distancing and wearing the mask is still a norm. Now the nationwide vaccine drive is also in the place, ensuring the safety against the virus. So how do you celebrate the festival of Holi? Worry not, here is a few tips on how to plan a perfect Holi party amidst the COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. Pack of colors. If you are celebrating the festival at home, it is important for you to stock up the different colors. Get your hands and gulal on your face and color various other organic one, as they will smell nice, are all soft for your skin. Go for an herbal color and avoid the synthetic one, harming your skin and hair switch. So what if you are avoiding the public places or large group? Enjoy your favorite sweet with family at home and celebrate the festival in high spirit. Sanitize your taste buds with the loud ones and relish the holy special recipe. Pitchkaris are not just for the kids, it's had a little old world and charms to the festival. Who could not want to sing Balma Pitchkari without a real one in the hand? You can either buy a new one or rent it out. Let the festival spirit grip your heart. Music. Any party is incomplete without a chart buster. Hindi songs or dancing on your favorite Rang Barse or Holi Gulal will keep you in a full swing in a holy mood. Make a list of special holy number and you are good to go. Party accessory. Get hold of some cool and catchy accessory like oversized eye shades, mustache and cool message board to pose with your holy. Click with your soft social networking timeline for sure. Be careful while playing with colors, as animals are not really as fond of the festival as you might be. So keep colors away from them and also from all those who don't wish to play with the colors. Also, the dark clouds of COVID-19 is far from over. Therefore, it is primarily important for us to stay away from the large group, social gathering and celebrate the festival with your near and dear ones. But those who are tested positive for the virus should not step out or rather follow the medical quarantine norms as prescribed by the respective doctor. Wash your face regularly and do not forget your colorful mask too. Let this festival give a pleasant memory to all. We are wishing everyone a happy Holi.
सभी रंगों का रास है होली, मन का उल्लास है होली, जीवन में खुशियां भर देती हैं, इसलिए कुछ खास है होली। आप सभी को होली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।